Hanuman Sena Haren Shubhe Varashava Chandram Suteva Uren Shveta Brene Tatala. And Hanuman with that pearl haram on him, he looked beautiful. He looked like a mountain on which clouds have settled, on which the moon light is lighting up. White clouds, moonlight on a mountain of white. Now, this is a thought for us. This rope of pearls was sent by Indra. It was given by Vayu Bhagavan to Sri Rama. So Sita, maybe Vayu Bhagavan might have. His son is there, he's not. He's giving it to Sri Rama. God knows what thought went through his mind. So Sita, she wants to complete that properly. So she gives it to the son of Vayu Bhagavan. So Atasa Vayuputraya tam haram asitekshana, says Valmiki. Hanumate, he doesn't say. Anjaneyaya, Anjaniputraya, then another thing. Vayuputraya, he says. So you feel that there's some connection is Valmiki is saying there very much in his usual tone of understatement. All the Vanara chiefs were then honored individually by Rama. The list is there, Vaida, Duvida, all of them were honored. And then function was completed. Valmiki says Vibhishana, Sugriva, Hanuman, Jambuvan, all the Vanara chiefs were honored. They all made their prostrations to Sri Rama. And then with their permission, Rama's permission, they all left. Very happily for their homes. Sugriva left for Kishkinda, and the king of Lanka went back to Lanka having abstained. Valmiki says Vibhishana left for Lanka having obtained his Kuladhanam. All the translators have translated it as having obtained Lanka. Lanka is his Kuladhanam. Having obtained that. I haven't studied deeply the commentaries, but to the extent that I understand that's what they mean. Say, having obtained Lanka, he now goes back. The thought struck me that the Kuladhanam that he's talking about is the Kuladhanam of Sri Rama. Because Rama in our tradition, Vibhishana takes a Ranganath Perumal from Rama and takes it. He puts it down in Srirangam because of Pralayar, and therefore he stuck there. Viktor Gaur Kaveri. He's there forever. When Pralayar makes him put it down, and then that's the deal. If he puts it down, then he stays. I thought maybe that is one possibility what he's talking about, that Vishnu. So Rama then requested Lakshmana, Adishta Dharmangi Maya Sahemam Kambhudarajya Duchidambalena Tulyam Maya Tumbiduvid Vidayaya Kamyavvarajye Dhuramudvahatsva. He requested Lakshmana, is saying, Dharmagya, you who know Dharma. This kingdom which has come down to us from our forefathers, they have conquered, they have firmly held this kingdom. You must share the responsibility, you must bear this burden along with me as Yuvaraja. Lakshmana, he said. Valmiki says, Lakshmana said no. No. Rama said yes. He said no. He tried convincing him 3-4 times. 3-4 times he said no. I can't. Then Rama anointed Bharata as the Yuvaraja. Bharata is elder to Rama. Lakshmana probably never say yes. Bharata being there. Rama could have straight away asked Partha. Then Lakshmana should not feel bad. Shatrugna doesn't mind any which way, he'll probably run away fast. See, where do I cover it? I hold umbrella. So that was that. So he was made, Bharata was consecrated. And then Rama, Paundarika Shvamedabhyam Vajapena Jatagantanyai cha Vividhai Yagyai Ayajat Parthivatmajai offered many yagyas during his rule. Paundarika Yagya, Ashwamedha Yagya, Vajapeya Yagya, numerous other yagyas Rama did. Rajyam Dasasahasrani Prapya Varshani Raghava Shata Dedhana Jatve Sadashwan Bhori Dakshinan. Rajyam Dasasahasrani, 10,000 years he ruled. He performed 100 Ashwamedha Yagyas. He gave Bhuri Dakshina. He gave lots and lots of Dakshina. Although formally Lakshmana was not the Yuvaraja, he was Rama took his active assistance in ruling the kingdom. Na parivedevan vidava na chavyada kritam bhayam na vyadijam bhayam chasi rame rajyam prashasati. Rama's rule. Na parivedevan vidava. If there was no wail of a widow ever heard. Na chavyada kritam bhayam. There was no fear of poisonous reptiles. Not a vyala kritam bhayam. Na vyadijam bhayam. No fear of disease. Rame rajyam prashasati. Nirjasyur abhavallogo. Nanartha kascha desprishate. Natasma vruddhabalanam pretakaryani kurvate. Nirdastu bhallogo. The world was devoid of dacoits, or thieves, or robbers, nothing. Loka became nirdasyu. Nanartha kaschid asprisha. Anartham did not touch anybody. No anartham touched anybody. Tasasma vruddha balana pretakaryani kurvate. Elderly people never did the funeral of younger ones. That didn't happen. Sarvam muldamevasi. Everybody was happy. Sarvo dharma paro bhavate. Everybody was intent on dharma. Ramamevanu pashyanto nabhyahimsan parasparam. Their eyes are always on Rama. So therefore they were not quarreling with each other. No himsa. No himsa. Paraspara himsa was not there. Sumatike himsa. Himsa can be many kinds. Not just beating. No such thing. Everybody was focused on Rama. Asan varsha sahasrani tadha putra dasrina niramaya vijoga rame rajyam prashasati. People also lived long. 1,000 years. Long life, everybody. 1,000 children. Putra sahasrina. Niramaya, no vyadhi. Vishoka, no sorrow. Rame rajyam prashasati. Ramo Ramaiti prajanam abhavan katha. Ramabhutam jaganabhut Rame rajyam prashasati. All people saying all the time talking Rama. Raja prajanam abhavan katha. Daily some story Ramabhut jagat, everything we know of Rama. For everybody, Rame rajyam prashasati. Nityamula nityaphala taravan. Taravastatra pushpita kamavarshi chamarjanya sukhaspashcha morta. Nityamula nityaphala. Taravastatra pushpita. Daily the trees will give fruits. Perennially flowers. Kamavarshi chamarjanya. Whenever you want, timely rains are coming. Sukhaspashascha Marutah, breeze, Sukhaspasha, all the time, nice breeze, winds, etc. Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra, Lobha, Vivajjita, Swakarma, Pravartante, Tushta, Swaireva, Karmavi, Asam Praja, Dharmapada, Rami, Rasha, Satinamrita. All people, no one had Lobha. And everybody there did Swakarma, Pravartante, Tushta, Swaireva, Karmavi. They were doing their respective duties and they were happy doing their respective duties. The whole point of this topic is that essentially work is done for the joy of the work. Actually, if the work gives anandam, that is called karma. Work itself, not the salary. So, Lobha Vivajjita means that. The capitalistic way of implementation today where work and is equated with money is essentially you are working, you leave a job, you go to another. Whatever you do, you want to do something else. It's only for the desire is for something else. So the excellence in what you do goes. The joy is in doing that. Then that becomes sadhana. So that's what he says. Sakarma pravartante tushtaha svaireva karmabhi. Their own respective duties they were happy to do. Asam praja dharmapara rame jasati channa nrata. There is no use for lies, it seems. They are not burdened with lies. Sarve lakshana sampanna, all of them are endowed with good qualities, good looks, everything. Sarve dharma parayana. Dashavarsha sahasrani Ramo rajyam akarayat. 10,000 years Ramo rajyam akarayat, he says Valmiki. I did not say Ramo rajyam akarot, he says akarayat. He got the kingdom. Meaning to say with Lakshmana, with Bharata, Shatrugna, etc. It's not the Rama rule. The rule was there, governed by his governance. Dharmyam, Yashasyam, Ayushyam, all dharma comes to people, Ayushyam. Rangyam cha videyavaham adhikavya vidam charsham puravalmikina kritam yashrunoti sadaloke narah papa pramuchate putrakamaccha putranvai dharakamo dhanani cha. The interesting part for us. Those who listen to yashrunoti sadaloke. What? Adhikavyam idam, this adhikavya. What kind of adhikavya it is? What is this adhikavya? Pura Valmikina Kritam, which is created by Valmiki. What kind of kavyam is this? Arsham. Rishi. Means it is Vedam. Every end of every chapter of Valmiki Ramayana says Ityashe Srimad Valmiki Ramayane. Arshe means Rishi. So this is Veda. In fact, there are several verses which says it's Veda. That's fine. This kavyam, if you hear, dharmyam, you will be endowed with dharma, you will naturally become dharmic. Yashasyam, you will get good name. Ayushyam, you will live long. And if you are a king, you will be victorious. Yashrunoti sadaloke, and whoever listens to it, this Ramayana, Nara, whichever human, Apatramuchate is freed from sins. Putrakamascha putranvai, those who want progeny will get progeny. Dhanakamo dhananicha, those who want wealth will get wealth. राघवेन यथा माता सुमित्रा लक्ष्मणेन च भरतेन च कैकेयी जीवपुत्रा तथा स्त्रियः भविष्यन्ति सदानन्दाः पुत्रपौत्र समन्विताः. Like Rama, like Sumitra had Lakshmana and Shatrugna, like Kaikeyi had Bharata, like Kausalya had Rama, and long-lived sons there, 10,000 years, like that. Like that, the ladies who listen to this Ramayana, Sadananda Bhavishanti, they'll be eternally happy, and Putra Pautra Samarvita, they'll have children, grandchildren, great-grandchildren, like that they'll see. Sutva Ramayana Dirghamayuscha Vindati. Everybody will live long, only listening to Ramayana. Ramasya Vijayam Chemam Sarvamatlishta Karmana. This life story of Rama, whose conduct was impeccable, whoever listens will live long. Again and again will come. Shunoti Edam Kavyam Puravarmi Kinarutam Shabdadhano Jitakrodo Durbhanyati Ratyasau. The person who has curbed his anger and his Shabdadhano has got Shraddha, faith, and has curbed his anger. Such a person who lives attentively, listens to this ancient poem made by Valmiki, he will overcome all trials and tribulations. Nowhere it is said that you don't have trials and tribulations. You may have money, you may live long, you may be happy, you may be trials and tribulations. This will be overcome by somebody who has curbed his temper, who curbs his temper or her temper, and also has faith. Sattadha. Samagamya pravasante ramante sahabandhavai shunvanti edam kavyam puravani kinakaramte prathitan varan sarvan prapamanti haragavate. Those who are either exiled or they are overseas, separated from the family, they are gone, living, or exiled, they will be reunited with their family if they listen to Ramayana. And not just that, for them there is a special, Valmiki is especially for them, they have Prarthitan Varan Sarvan Prapnumanti. Whatever boons they seek, they will get. Shravanena suraha sarve priyante samprashnvatam. By your listening to the Ramayana, the gods are pleased. All the gods are pleased. Sarve suraha priyante. All the devas are pleased. Vinayaka shashamyante grihe tishthandi yasya vai. Be good for you all. All the planetary afflictions in the hospital. Shamyanti, they will be pacified by listening to Ramayana. Grahas, Vighna, which create Vighnas, they will all be pacified. A king will have victory. The separated will be reunited. The women who want children will get children. Pujayansya patastatan chainam itihasam puratanam sarvapapai prabhuchet deghama vigamayo apnula. All sins are washed off and long life is given. Adidevo Mahabahu Harinarayana Prabhu Sakshat Ramo Raghusheshta Shesho Lakshmana Uchyate. The Adideva, the first of God, the primary God, Hari Narayana Prabhu, he is Sakshat Sri Rama. And Adishesha is Lakshmana. Evamedat Puravrittam Akyanam Bhadramatva Pravyaharat Visardham Balam Vishnu Pravardhata. So this story, Valmiki says, then this part comes to an end. May all that is good fall to your lot, he says. And he says, he asked everybody, say it loudly with assurance, Balam Vishnu Pravardhata. May the strength of Vishnu grow evermore. balam Vishnu pravartata. All the devas are pleased by the listening we saw of the Ramayana, not them only. Ramayasya Shravane Trupyanti Pitara Sada. All the forefathers are pleased. Sada. For all time to come, they are given happiness by listening, or you are listening to Ramayana. Bhaktya Ramasya Jemam Samhina Rishina Kritam Ye Likhanti Nara Tesham Vasastri Vishtave. This Samhitam, this Ramayana, which has been created by a Rishi, they who write it, they shall live in heaven forever. Kutumba Vriddhin, family with this, anybody who listens to this karya, Kutumba Vriddhin, family will flourish. Dhanadhanya Vriddhim, wealth, grains, etc. flourish. Striyascha Mukhya Sukhamuttamam, all the women in the family will be happy. Mukhya, Striyascha Mukhya Sukham. Uttamam cha. Shutva Shubham Karyamidam Mahartam Prapnam Siddhim. They will get, all the people get their wishes fulfilled. Ayushyam, long life, Arogyam, good health, Yashasyam, good name, good fame, Saubhratakam, fraternal affinity, brothers, sisters, etc. will all be friendly with each other. Saubhratakam, Buddhikaram, Buddhi will become better and better. Shubham, all auspicious will happen. Chotavyam Metanyamena Sati Akyanam Ojaskaram Vriddhikamai. Strength will come, happiness will come, all that will come if you hear this true chronicle with all humility. With this verse ends the Yuddhakandam and the Ramapattabhisheka Sargam. Actually, we are not even going into the detail of Bharacharana of Ramayana here, because that is a big subject matter. Because the Shravana, Falashruti of Ramayana is not just there in Valmiki Ramayana, it will be there in Bhagavatam, it will be there in Mahabharatam, it is there in long detail in Skandam, it is there in Padma Puranam, it will be there everywhere. Ramayana, Falashruti is mentioned in detail everywhere, but in Valmiki Ramayana itself, it's mentioned in 2-3 places. So we'll see 1 or 2 verses only out of that from Valmiki Ramayana, which will come at the end of Uttarakanda. When that is completed, 1 verse says, Yema Bharam Kurukshetre Raste Bhano Prechadi Yacha Ramayanam Shloke Shnoti Sadrisha Bhuho. Whoever listens to Ramayana, he gets the same merit as donating his weight of gold in Kurukshetra during solar eclipse. Now, if we say that Papānyapi ca yah kuryād hanya hanimanavah patati ekamapi shlokam pāpāsta parimuchyate. Papānyapi ca yah kuryād, whoever does any papa, ahani cha manavah, daily papa. Ahani. Such person also patati ekamapi shlokam. 1 slokam from Ramayana, the person reads. Papātsa parimuchyate, freed from all sins. Satyametad viditvātu sotavyam nihatatmadhi gayatryachu sobha tad ramayana maruttamam. Know that this is the truth. Know that not just this is the truth, Ramayana is the truth. Knowing that, if one listens to this, one should listen to this. One should listen to Ramayana. Because Ramayana is, why? Gayatri Swarupam. Gayatri Mantra Swarupam. It is 24,000 verses. Each letter of Gayatri is 1,000 verses. Akshara. Every 1,000 verse has one letter of Gayatri. With that, we conclude Rama Pattabhishekam saying what Valmiki asked us to say, which is Balam Vishnu Pravardhatam, Balam Vishnu Pravardhatam, Balam Vishnu Pravardhatam.